Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are interested in electrical engineering, electronics engineering, industrial automation, instrumentation, and practical knowledge, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay connected for more informative videos. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic in industrial automation. Why do industries use 420 milliamps current signals instead of 020 milliamps? In modern industries, automation systems play a vital role in monitoring and controlling different processes. To measure important process parameters like this, pressure, transmitter, flow, and level, industries use different type of transmitters. These transmitters send signal to PLC, DCS, and control systems for accurate monitoring and control. Among different signal standards, 420 milliamps is one of the most widely used and reliable industrial signal standards. But have you ever wondered why industries prefer 420 milliamps instead of 020 milliamps? The main reason is the live zero concept in a 420 milliamps low. 4 milliamps represents the minimum process value and confirms that the transmitter is powered and working properly. And 20 milliamps represent the maximum or full scale measurement value. For example, if a pressure transmitter range is 0 to 10 bar, now 4 milliamps equal to 0 bar, 20 milliamps equal to 10 bar. The output current change according to the actual process value. Now the question is, why don't industries use 0 to 20 milliamps or 0 to 20 milliamps? Because if the signal become 0 milliamps, it is difficult to understand the actual condition. Is the process value really 0, absolutely 0, or is there a problem such as transmitter power failure, cable break, loose connection, or wiring fault? This creates difficulty during troubleshooting. But in a 420 milliamp system, if the current signal drops below the normal range, the PLC or DCS can easily identify it as a fault condition. Some major advantages of 420 milliamps are easy fault detection through live zero, less effect from electrical noise, reliable long distance signal transmission to while loop operation, internationally accepted industrial standard. Because of these advantages, 420 milliamps is widely used in industrial automation system for measuring pressure, temperature, flow, level. Thank you. I am Hasan Khan and I will continue sharing practical knowledge about electrical engineering, electronics engineering, industrial automation, instrumentation and maintenance. If you find this video helpful, please like, comments and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell to get updates on my upcoming technical videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.